Welcome to the class 15 of Medicinal Chemistry 1, Unit 3, Drugs Acting on Autonomic Nervous System, Parasympathetic System, Part 4. In the previous class we discussed about cholinomimetic drugs, that is indirectly acting cholinomimetic agents. Today we will discuss about some parasympatholytic agents or anticholinergic drugs. These drugs are also called as cholinergic blocking agents because these drugs antagonize the effect of acetylcholine when it is bind to the muscarinic receptors. These drugs do not prevent the release of acetylcholine from the nerve endings, but they act by competing with the cholinergic receptors. Since these drugs antagonize the action of muscarine, hence they are also called as anti-muscarinic agent. Anticholinergic drugs have many therapeutic applications. They will be used as an antispasmodics, anti-secretory, and Parkinsonism. So this is the classification of cholinergic blocking agents, that is anticholinergic drugs. The first category is postganglionic blockers. They are subdivided into two types. One is natural and another one is semi-synthetic. In the natural, it is solanaceous alkaloids and their analogues. Example, atropine sulfate, hyoscyamine sulfate, and scopolamine hydrobromide. In the semi-synthetic category, it is homatropine hydrobromide and ipratropium bromide. The next is synthetic drugs, that is synthetic cholinergic blocking agents. The first one is antispasmodics. Example is dicyclomine hydrochloride, methanthalline bromide, propanthalline bromide. The second is anti-secretory. Example is clydinium bromide, glycopyrrolate, isopropamide iodide. The third is Parkinsonism. Example is benzotropine mesylate, tropicanimide, procyclidine hydrochloride, piperidine hydrochloride, orphanadrine citrate, tridihexethyl chloride, and ethoproprazine hydrochloride. The first category is solanaceous alkaloids. These are the alkaloids obtained from solanaceous plant, that is, it contains atropine. Atropine is a alkaloid obtained from Atropa belladonna and Datura stramonium, and its analog is scopolamine. It is found in Hyoscyamus niger. The difference between scopolamine and atropine is just a oxygen bridge will be there at the 6 and 7 carbon. Atropine is 8-methyl 8-aza-bicyclo-octane 3-eel-3-hydroxy phenyl propionate. It is an ester of tropic acid. The ring what you are seeing is it is a tropane ring which is obtained from tropic acid, hence the name atropine. Now atropine is used as an anti-muscarinic drug. Similar, only the difference between the next drug is scopolamine. that is a oxygen bridge will be there, and scopolamine is active as a LEVO compound, and it is a racemic mixture of atropine which is known as hyoscine. That is, hyoscine is nothing but a scopolamine. It is effective in the prevention of motion sickness, and it is a competitive blocking agent of parasympathetic nerve system like atropine. The next drug is homatropine. It is tropane 3-alpha-ol mandylate. It is used topically on the ciliary structure of eye and effective as mydriasis. The next drug is ipratropium bromide. It is 3-hydro-1-oxo 2-phenyl propyl 8-methyl 8-1-methyl ethyl 8-aza-ino-bicyclo-octane bromide. It is a competitive inhibitor of cholinergic blockers used as a bronchodilator. The next is amino alcohol esters, that is cyclopentolate. It is 2-dimethylaminoethyl 1-hydroxyphenyl cyclopentane acetate hydrochloride. It is used in eye drops, that is cycloplegia and mydriasis. The next drug is clydinium bromide. It is 3-hydroxy-1-methyl quinocladium bromide benzylate. It is also a bronchodilator used in asthmatic condition. The next drug is dicyclomine hydrochloride. It is 2-dimethylamino ethyl bicyclohexyl 1-carboxylate. It is used in the diseases associated with gastrointestinal tract and also in dysmenorrhea, but it is extensively used as antispasmodic for stomach pain. The next drug is glycopyrrolate bromide. It is N-dimethyl pyrrolidinium bromide 3-cyclopentyl mandylate. It is used in the treatment of peptic ulcer and gastrointestinal disorders associated with the spasm. The next drug is propanthalin. It is ethyl diisopropyl methyl ammonium bromide xanthine 9-carboxylate. It is beneficial in the treatment of peptic ulcer and also used to relieve the pain in peptic ulcer and gastric motility. The third category is amino ether. The example is orphanadrine citrate. It is N-dimethyl 2-orthomethyl alpha phenyl benzyl oxy ethylamine citrate. It is used in the symptomatic treatment of Parkinsonism and also it is used as a skeletal muscle relaxant. The second example in amino ether class is benztropine mesylate. It is 3-alpha diphenyl methoxy 1 alpha hydro 5 alpha hydrotropine methane sulfonate. It is also used in the treatment of Parkinsonism disease. The fourth category is amino alcohol. The example is piperidine. It is 5-norbornene 2-eel alpha phenyl 3-piperidine 1-eel propanol. It is a synthetic anticholinergic drug used in Parkinson's disease. The second drug is procyclidine hydrochloride. It is 1-cyclohexyl 1-phenyl 3-pyrrolidine 1-eel 1-propanol hydrochloride, and it is also used in Parkinson's disease. The third drug is trihexyl phenidyl. It is alpha cyclohexyl alpha phenyl 1-piperidine propanol. It is also used in Parkinson's disease and also anti-spasmodic action. The fifth category is aminoamide, that is tropicanimide. It is N-ethyl 2-phenyl N,4-pyridyl methyl 3-hydroxy propionamide. The uses includes it is used to induce mydriasis and cycloplegia, and ophthalmic conditions also it is used. This is the synthesis of dicyclamine hydrochloride. When 1,5-dibromopentane is treated with benzyl cyanide in presence of soda amide, it undergoes alkylation to form 1-cyano-1-phenyl cyclohexane. When it is treated with ethyl alcohol, it gives a ethyl ester, that is 1-phenyl 1-cyclohexane carboxylic acid. This undergoes esterification reaction by 2-diethyl aminoethanol in presence of sodium. It gives 1-phenyl cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Now this, when it is reduced with platinum oxide, gives dicyclomine. The next synthesis is procyclidine. When acetophenone is treated with 2,3,4,5 tetrahydropyrrolidine, it undergoes Manish condensation in presence of acetic acid to give beta pyrrolidino propiophenone, which upon addition with cyclohexane magnesium bromide, it undergo hydrolysis to give procyclidine. Thank you so much.